Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brenda. This is my feel good journey. My channel is about getting spiritually, mentally, and physically healthy. I also do reviews on stuff that I've already manifested, and I would love it if you guys would subscribe to my channel, and I will start with my review. So today I'm going to do a review on my pink Gucci print belt bag. Here it is. So this bag I got when it first came out, and actually we ordered it like when it was first available, but it was on back order, so we had to wait a couple weeks, which was a bummer, but it's okay because it was totally worth it. I absolutely love the bag. I usually get black or browns or neutral colors, but this time my husband like really just got me a pop of color, which I'm so glad he did, because again, I love this purse. I think it's super cute, and you know, it looks good with everything. I could still wear black with it, and it just gives it a little pop of color, and I could wear white. You could actually wear any color with it, and it actually looks good. I'm not kidding. And it's super you know, convenient, because again, I'm a mommy of 4, so I go to the grocery store with my 3 kids. Well, my older one, he does his own thing now, so he's hardly with me, but with my 3 little ones, I'm always at the store with them, you know, going to the grocery store, going, you know, even when we go on dates on the bike, everything. Like I don't use my huge purses, so these like type of purses are so convenient for me when, you know, when we go on the bike or when I do like my regular everyday mommy chores. This is amazing. So I got the pink one. This is the smaller one. So when we first purchased this was retailed at $780. I don't know how much it is right now. As of a week ago, it was still the same price, but you know how Gucci sometimes goes up and down on its prices. So anyways, it has to be around that price range regardless. So here it is. It is super cute. Again, it is like the hot pink one. Here's the zipper, and this is the buckle. Here's like the little holder and the adjuster. This is my favorite part, contrasted with the pink. I absolutely love it. So let me tell you, more fits in here than you can imagine. Let me just show it to you real quick. It has a little logo in the side. So this is my iPhone 10. It fits in here, as well as I also have, you know, those little I left it in my car, but it's those little credit card little wallets. I got one from Victoria's Secret, but anyways, it holds my credit cards and my my ID. It fits here perfectly, as well as a compact and a chapstick. So it's absolutely adorable. Like, it is so handy, guys. I'm not even kidding you. Here it is. So again, I was really looking for, I do like the black one, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I was looking, that's why I was looking at it a couple of weeks ago, because I'm like, oh my god, maybe, you know, I should get the black one too, but the bigger one, because this one, I like this size because when I wear it here, it's not humongous. But then I saw a girl at the mall the other day, and she actually had the bigger one, wearing it as a belt bag, and it actually looked pretty cute on her. So I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. I'm still debating on it. I do also wear it like a little purse like this. I don't wear it like, you know, the cross, because I feel weird. I tried it one time and it was just like so uncomfortable for me, but I have worn it like a little purse, and it looks absolutely cute as well. Again, it matches more things that you could possibly imagine. You know, I'm really close-minded when it comes to colors, and I'm a little bit boring. Like, I always go the safe route, but I'm starting to open up a little bit and getting different colors and, you know, experiencing with that. But again, I'm really glad I got the pink one for my first one, and I absolutely recommend it, especially, you know, to go to the gym, to go to the grocery store, to go run errands, and you don't want to carry a big old purse. This is perfect. So here you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment and I will answer you super fast, so you could get on with buying your bag if that's what you decide. So anyways, again, I really would appreciate it if you guys would subscribe to my channel. My name is Brenda and I will see you next time. Bye.